Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify vector-to-raster exports in Affinity Designer, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Affinity Designer project. Select the vector artwork you wish to export. Navigate to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down, choose Export. In the Export window, choose your preferred raster format, such as PNG or JPEG. Adjust the settings to your desired resolution and dimensions. Click on Export and choose a location to save your file. Close Affinity Designer after the export is complete. Open the exported raster file in an image viewer or editing software. Zoom in to closely inspect the quality of the exported image. Look for any pixelation or blurriness, especially around edges. Check if colors are accurately represented compared to your original vector design. Verify that all elements are present and no details are lost in the export process. Compare your raster image side by side with the original vector artwork. If discrepancies are found, return to your Affinity Designer project. Make the necessary adjustments to your vector elements or export settings. Repeat the export process until you're satisfied with the results. Document any inconsistencies or learnings for future reference. This will enhance your understanding of different export settings and their effects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.